Hi guys! Wow, I'm finally doing this. For quite past months, I think few months, I've been wanting to launch my YouTube channel, but I've been procrastinating and then busy. But I'm glad I'm finally doing this. So you might wonder, what will the YouTube channel contain? The YouTube channel will basically, of course, tell about my story, who I am, for you to get to know me more, and then the steps which I've climbed and how I do this. I've been able to project my life in time of career, in time of spiritual, and then attain a level of God purpose and in the right track to fulfill God's call upon my life. But apart from this, I won't love it to be an individual thing. So I was given basically three purposes while preparing for this, which I call the three mandates. And the three mandates are simply the first, the gospel talk. And in the gospel talk, the commission is to build and make sure the divide between spirituality and reality is very small. Yeah, many Christians out there, they love to separate their spiritual well being from their physical life, from their career, and from their academics. But this shouldn't be so because you are just one person. Your spiritual life, your physical life, everything are just total in one. That is you. For me, everything I do, my spiritual life with God, my career, they are all that contribute to me who I am, which is Emmanuel Isika. And through the gospel talk, we aim to bridge the gap between these two. And the gospel talk will be a tool to help Christians live a fulfilled life even on earth as God wants it. As it is said, that just as it is in heaven, so it is on earth. And this platform will be an house for ministers, both popular and pastorizing ministers in the kingdom, to come share about their story and then how they were able to get to where they are. So to just be raw for you to get to know these people and to apply the principle to ensure you become better and then you become just who God wants you in order for you to have a fulfilled life even on earth. And the second mandate would be Tech Africa. Now, Tech Africa is going to be a place that discusses tech, especially in Africa, even as the name sounds. The tech industry has been seen by world leaders as a way of eradicating poverty and strengthening the global economy. Despite lots of resources online, millions of people in Africa are still left behind because the system of information is rigid to come by. So, what we aim to do at this is to simplify tech information to make it anyone, anywhere to be able to kickstart their career in tech and then for these people to successfully eradicate poverty. And this will be hosting lots of tech leaders and individuals on this platform to share with us their story, what they do, and then how you can replicate their sources in order to make it more and more successful. And this is the most exciting out of the three of them. Yeah, for me, I don't know for you, let me know which of these you are really looking forward to, whether it is the gospel talk or the tech Africa, and the last will be the growth talk. Growth is an important success metrics. Businesses, individuals evaluate their progress by measuring their growth. Frustration sets in when an entity, business, an individual can't account for their growth over a period of time. So, in this part, we are going to talk about growth and how you can have a blissful, a joyous, a fulfilled, and a successful life. Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel, and I hope you are excited even as I am. Thank you. And this last part is very crucial. I will be releasing video every Friday by 1 p.m. West African time. Stay tuned. Remember, I'm looking forward to empowering you with everything you need in order to get from zero to hero and to ensure you have the most blissful, joyous, and successful life even on earth as God has planned it. Thank you so much for listening. Do have a nice day. Bye.